Hey guys, how you doing? Another video here. I'm making potato Hasselback today. As you can see, I'm cutting I use 2 wooden spoons so I don't make the cut all the way through, and you can see how it works for you like that. You could use a chopstick, it work as well. So what I'll do, I'll cut out 3 of them and then put some seasoning. Okay guys, here I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show it in the video. Drizzle olive oil and salt and pepper, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Once it has cooked for 30 minutes, just take them out and put some butter, salted butter on top, and they're going to go back in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And you can also add Italian herbs as well. Yeah, these are the Italian herbs I was telling you about, and they come in a shaker. Back in the oven, like I said, for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then there you go. When they come out, they'll be ready to eat. Here it is. Nice and crispy. Thanks for watching.